Friends, today the video is on Karnataka Bank Limited. Before starting the video, let me tell you that if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Coming to Karnataka Bank Limited, it is one of the India's leading South Indian bank. Okay, basically its market capitalization is of 4,493 crore rupees, which means it's a small cap company. Current price is trading at 144 rupees, high and low. It has made a low of rupees 55.2 paise and high of rupees 168. Stock P/E multiples, it is trading at 4.70 times. So basically it makes a low valuation company attractive to buy by looking at this point. Book value is of 228 rupees. That means current price is trading just half the book value. That makes another attractive opportunity to buy this company. Dividend yield is also very good, 2.78%. Return on capital employed is of 5.09%, which means it's poor return on capital employed. Return on equity is just 7.41%, which means it is also poor return on equity. Face value share is rupees 10. Now let us see the performance of the company, how company is performing. So in one day, it is given a negative return of, you could say, 0.52%, minus 0.52%. In 1 month, it is given a negative return of minus 3.52%. In 6 months, it is given a return of 100.84% positive. Year till date, that is from January till date. This year, January till date, it is given minus 6.68% negative return. In 1 year, it is given a return of 135.68% return. 135.68% return. So very good return. In 5 years, it is given just 18.69% of return. Maximum, if you click on that option. So basically this company was listed on 26th of April 2002 at a price of 33.21 rupees. From there it added just 110.79 rupees and finally it became 144 rupees. Just adding, multiplying 33.60 percentage is the growth. So basically what you're seeing, it grows like that, then it falls sharp, goes up, falls sharp, goes up, falls sharp, up, falls, goes up and falls, now goes up. So that is a zigzag pattern. But anyway, company, by putting your money for last 22 years, you're just getting the return of 3.3 times. So very poor performance, I could say. It's in the terms of return, it's very poor. Okay, it's very poor by the company and very poor, and just it is giving a dividend of 2.78% per annum basis. Anyway, return is very poor. But we will go with its quarterly report as well as annual report, how the company has performed in the previous quarter as well as in the previous years. Coming to its quarterly results, so we are comparing the last 4 quarters of the company. So March 2022, we are comparing it to June 2022, then we are comparing that with September 2022, then we are comparing with December 2022. Come to revenue, its revenue is of 1,579 crore rupees. From that increased to 1,629 crore rupees, further increased to 1,771 crore rupees, further increased to 1,851 crore rupees. So revenue is constantly increasing on an every year basis. That's a very big, on an every quarter basis. So that's a very big plus point. Kind of financing profit, it is a profit which is earned by giving the loan. So it is a 27 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 83 crore rupees minus 83 crore rupees, further increased to 133 after it increased to 333 crore rupees, but from there it decreased to 162 crore rupees in sense of financing profit. So that's a big minus point because in 2 quarters it has declined. Coming to profit before tax, it is of 284 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 50 crore rupees, then it increased in the next quarter to 592 crore rupees, but in the December quarter it decreased to 367 crore rupees. So profit before tax is fallen in this quarter, but in 2 quarters it has shown declining, it's on negative growth, so that's will mark in negative. Coming to net profit, it is of 130 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 114 crore rupees. Further after it increased to 412 crore rupees, then it decreased to 301 crore rupees. So in 1 quarter it is increasing, in another quarter it is decreasing, so it will mark a negative thing. Coming to the EPS, it is 4.19. From there decreased to 3.67. After it increased to 13.22. From there it decreased to 9.64. So what you're watching, that EPS is also decreasing because in 2 quarters it is decreasing. NPA, gross NPA is 3.90. From there it decreased to 4.0. Sorry, from there it increased to 4.03. But in next quarter decreased to 3.36, and in the December quarter further decreased to 3.28. So that's a plus point because NPA is decreasing living 1 quarter. Coming to the net NPA, percentage 2.42. From there it decreased to 2.16, further decreased to 1.72, and NPA is decreasing to 9.66. So NPA is constantly decreasing on an every quarter basis. So that's a very big plus point. So these two things are a positive scenario, but these things are in the negative trend because financing profit, profit before tax, net and profit and EPS is decreasing in 2 quarters. So I'll mark it in a poor sense, poor performance by the company. Now coming to the profit loss, we account will check out the last 4 years of the last 4 years track of the company. March 2020 with March 2021, then we take comparing with March 2022, then we'll compare with till today month, that is TTM basis, that is a running year. Revenue, incidence of revenue is 6,475 crore rupees. From there decrease to 6,232 crore rupees, further decrease to 6,222 crore rupees, but in the running year it increases 6,830 crore rupees. So we'll mark revenue in a negative sense because in 2 quarters it is decreasing. In 2 years it is decreasing only. Coming to financing profit, it is of minus 676 crore rupees, further declined to minus 719 crore rupees. Here it improved to minus 186 crore rupees, further improved to 439 crore rupees. So we'll mark it in a positive sense because financing profit is improved in the 3 quarters. Coming to the profit before tax, it is 522 crore rupees. From there it increased to 612 crore rupees, further increased to 695 crore rupees, further increased to 1293 crore rupees. So profit before tax is increasing on an every year basis. Come to net profit, it is of 402 crore rupees. From there it increased to 483 crore rupees, further increased to 509 crore rupees, and further increased to 957 crore rupees. So you could say net NP is also so net profit is also increasing on an every year basis. Come to EPS, it is of 13.89. From that it increased to 15.52, further increased to 16.35, further increased to 30.72. So EPS is also increasing on an every year basis. So that's a big plus point over here. So everything is increasing. We could say everything is increasing. So no need to worry. We could say one of the best performance given by the company in the last 4 years. If this track record grows like that only, in my expectation, in the 5 year, definitely this company is going to, not in 5 year, make it in 3 year only. If this type of company's growth is coming up in 3 times only, definitely this company could give you 2 times of return in my opinion, if this performance continues. Okay, then only. Hopefully I cleared that out. If you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Thank you very much.